just pick it up.
Like monsters.
Oh, it's heavy. You want this closer so it's easier to...
Yeah, that's good. Actually, you can move it a hair over so you can maybe work. Yeah, that's good.
Give your nose.
Yeah, get her in the move on. Then you're ready to set up.
Well, I was wondering, should there be a space in there for underneath here, or does it really matter?
Let's see how it sits.
I'll have to widen it just a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit, yeah. And sometimes why I don't like a gap underneath is if they ever swarm, sometimes they'll go underneath.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so, but that's okay. You want
You
support.
want a piece of plywood to go over both of those?
No, it should be
No,
okay.
it should be fine.
Yeah, it should be okay. Okay, so
Nice looking box.
good looking
Isn't that?
equipment. Good looking equipment.
So it's all about presentation. Everybody wants to live in a good looking home.
You bet.
Yeah, Pete's gonna get in one of those
One's already
national
moving
magazines.
in.
He's gonna get in one of those national magazines.
Makes millions on his beehive.
His first year in beekeeping, he's gonna hit the big. Okay, so we're ready to go.
We're ready.
Why don't you go ahead and grab this? You want to just go ahead and pop the lid?
You kidding? They glue that shut.
Yeah, just pull it up, pull this other side.
Nice day to do it, you know what?
Yeah.
Keep them kind of mellow.
Okay, you probably don't even need that hive tool. So go ahead and take this frame. Take this frame out. Yeah, one each side. Okay. Just set it aside right here.
Go through.
And then grab that hive tool. Put it right in there. And just pry it over just a little bit.
Separate a little bit. Okay.
Blow on the breath.
I seen somebody do that.
Just put a little smooth transfer up and in. Look and see what they're doing. Okay, they're making comb. You see the honey?
Yeah.
You see the queen?
All right.
Pretty much happened.
Okay, good. So set that.
Oh, okay, I was just going to try to put them back to the same place they had them there.
Exactly what you're supposed to do.
Because she already got her home organized.
Where's the queen at? Which one do you usually see it? In the middle?
Generally, yeah. Sometimes.
Yeah.
You know, you can also use the other end. You're doing good. Just keep nice and steady. See, they're starting to get riled. So just work smooth and don't rush. Just do it nice and smooth.
If they sting, don't drop them.
No,
You're heavy.
that's,
That one's heavy.
Oh, full of honey.
so that has brood.
Yeah.
That's, and then what's the other side? So that's, you're sure you got a queen. Good. Boy, this is a good looking nuke.
They get stuck by the wax or something?
Yeah.
Do they?
Not a good time to look for the queen because you just want to get them. You know you have a queen because they're making young.
Oh, yeah.
So there's no sense of.
I knew I had the queen as soon as I put them in there because they're doing that little butt jiggle thing. Saying, hey, everybody, we're over here.
Is that a good place right there?
Yeah,
underneath?
they'll get a little protection.
That's
from
what I
that
was saying,
tree.
because the wind comes this way or it goes that way. And I got,
No, it's a good place.
and the rain, you know, we get rain in Oregon.
It's going great. You gotta feed them. We're gonna have to get some feed on these bees.
Okay, that's no problem.
See, I had some sugar water up here.
Drawn comb, yeah.
Okay, that's
Because it's wax and sealed.
That's the brood down below them.
It's just comb. There's no brood in it. The brood looks like a ground comb.
Okay, like what you're looking at.
Yeah.
Oh, that's all.
Let's start bringing in. The thing probably won't mix fire. Using the fire like that. It's amazing how if the sun was out, it'd be really easy to spot it. Great critters. Look at this one. So the bottom stuff.
Oh, how about that? You got that spin on the other end.
So,
Yeah, I think so. I want to keep your rooms the same.
I'm going to the center.
Right.
Those are pretty non-aggressive.
Well, I know they are. That's why I didn't bother wearing gloves.
Yeah, you know what? Let's get a few frames in here.
Feeder usually takes up, what, 1 or 2 spaces.
What's that?
Feeder you hang in there, they usually take up 1 or 2.
1 or 2, yeah. Have you got any kind of a feeding system yet?
Well, I can just bring out some jars and stuff, put some holes in them, hang them upside down.
Yeah.
There's like I say, feeding's not a problem.
What do you usually feed them? Just
Sugar water.
Sugar, yeah.
Just like hummingbirds then.
Yeah, there's just a bunch of different methods you can use. Take a jar, poke a bunch of little tiny holes in it, they hang upside down, they all just swarm around it. They have kinds you put inside.
Yeah, the sugar water put up here, you know, they didn't even come with it. They didn't go after it.
I'll be darned.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you just squished it.
I'm not doing too well.
Let me go. Oh no.
Terry got stunned.
Yeah.
All because that one got squished, I bet.
Yeah. Paybacks for a bitch.
Probably. This should probably be to the front, this escape.
I always thought they were to the back. But you know more about this than I do.
And then you might want to give it a grade so the water doesn't go down into it. It looks,
Okay.
Yeah. So next
Jack it
time,
up a little bit in the back.
Yeah.
That's easy enough.
Yeah, get a
right
board.
now you could do it. You don't need a reducer yet, I don't think, do you?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. About
They
another,
look like they're big enough to fight for themselves right
about
now.
another month. But go ahead, just use that. But eventually get it to drain.
Even though that screen there still good to have it right now. Yeah. Untouched.
Yeah.
He didn't even touch it.
You know what I do, Pete, is sometimes I just go like this and
Just dump them out.
just
Yeah. Queen's not in
Just
there.
piss them off a little bit. There they go. They go right in there. You want some yellow jackets? I got them.
there's a few more in here.
I just figured I'd leave it out here for a couple days.
Yeah.
They'll make their way out.
In a way, I kind of like to get them out and then get this sealed up so they don't come back in it.
Oh, okay. That makes sense too.
Yeah. You have yellow jackets?
Yeah, right back here.
Yeah, there's a guy who'll come and get them for free.
Yeah, I know. I can't find it. I was looking for his number today again.
Yeah, you have to go to Manzini Lumber and get it.
Oh, okay.
Or Stockton's.
Yeah.
They'll have it.
All right. Yeah, I got a bunch of little ones all over the place here, but one big one back here.
I can put the lid on. They won't get wet and mad.